Hver þráir ekki að láta fleygja sér í gólfið og tuska sig til 2 í viku? Þetta hugnast allavega þeim norðlendingum sem ákváðu nýverið að byrja að æfa júdó.
Hvað ertu búin að vera að stunda þetta lengi?
Í byrjun nóvember.
Og hvernig
Þetta er æðislegt. Ég skipti vinnu fyrir ári, var búin að vera svona alltaf á hlaupum og nú ég að keyra mikið, stirður, fitnaði og þetta er allt bara horfið á þessum mánuðum.
I love it. Yeah, really enjoy it. I really like just the element of community that's here. You know, it's always really fun. It's never too serious. It feels like we're just coming to play and push each other around a little bit.
Who doesn't want that?
Exactly.
Yes, wow.
Júdókapparnir leggja margir á sig nokkuð ferðalag til að komast á æfingar og koma meðal annars frá Siglufirði og Húsavík. Þjálfarinn eða senseiinn eins og það kallast í júdó hún Erinni. Hún fluttist til Íslands frá Grikklandi í september 2023 með eitt markmið í huga.
I came with a mission and a vision to expand judo in Iceland, to grow it, to make it bigger, to make people learn about it and grow it more in the country and out of the country, of course, because as we grow here in the country, our athletes start moving abroad and we do it bigger and bigger and bigger. This is it. Wow. Judo is not like we may have it in our mind. Injuries, hard things like suffering, but it is a way to grow mentally and physically. They all wear the same costume, let's say, the same outfit, how to say, for a reason, for no discriminations. And here we feel this a lot. There is no discrimination in this class.
Júdó snýst að miklu leyti að láta kasta sér í gólfið og læra að detta.
Is judo for everyone?
Yes, everyone can do judo. Till last minute of life. Pop and pop.
Honestly, I think you've definitely got to come to your first class with a bit of a sense of humour, a bit of a willingness to kind of like try it out, fall over a little bit, be a little bit silly, but other than that, yeah, I think it's fantastic and I think it's a really nice way to just, you know, let off some steam and have some fun.
And do you get used to being thrown to the ground?
Yes, of course. We are thrown like octopuses. And pop. Very nice. Next.
And what's your favorite thing about it?
Definitely getting thrown. It's really fun, especially when the big guys launch you really high. I think it's brilliant.
You like that?
Yeah, it's so much fun. It's like a roller coaster.
And pop. Very good. Women, as we all know, are rare in judo because there is a misconception around it. But trust us that women can be as fierce in fighting as men.
Myndirðu mæla með fyrir fleiri með á þínum aldri sem hafa jafnvel aldrei prófað þetta? Að bara láta vaða?
Allan daginn. Þetta er svo skemmtileg útrás og þú fær svo mikið sjálfstress líka að þú veist, gera svona íþrótt sérstaklega. Þú veist, við lappum bæinn og vita bara, ég gæti alveg gert þetta eða tekið þetta niður eða þú veist, svona aðeins svona sjálfstressi sjálfum sér.
Er það að hugsa það sem þú lappa fram í fólki, ég geti snúið þig niður?
Alveg svona stundum.
For me, for example, judo has always been a way to be a better person, mentally and physically. For me, it is like the representation of life. You learn to fall and to accept that you have fallen, and you learn to stand up and fight again and again and again, knowing that you are gonna be down again and again, and then be back again and again. We learn in judo to appreciate victory and accept defeat. Mate, because...
Practicing with Jón and paper stronger.